Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export a PDF report from Juniper's Uinta. So what I've done to begin here is I've opened up a project. I've got some points in this project, I've got some lines in this project, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to the top right corner to my export button here. And within my export menu, I'm going to want to make sure that I have PDF selected from my drop down here. When I have PDF selected, I'm going to hit export. And you can see here that I have a couple of different options for my PDF export. I can add a text box here and type in some information on the project. So in this case, I'm just going to add benchmark equipment PC project. In my text box 2, I'm going to add some extra information here. This is a second text box, I know, very original. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to click on my advanced options, and you can see here that I can set up how my PDF is displayed. So I can choose a page size and orientation, quality, the zoom level. I'm going to leave it as my current zoom level. My layout as auto, list, or table. I'm just going to leave my layout as auto and let Uinta do its thing here. But if I go back into my export menu here, I can also upload my company logo. So I'll upload the benchmark logo here. And when I open that, you can see it's got my logo saved there. I can also add in some additional attributes. So in this case, I've got my name as the date and the value as 2023-04-26 when I recorded this video. Or what I can do is I can add a second one. Let's say I want to add the name of the operator who performed the project. So I'm going to add name, and then in the next field here, my value I'm going to put as myself, Nolan Betzner. I'm then going to hit export PDF, and it's going to ask me where I want to save my file. In this case, I'm going to save it to my downloads, and I'm going to call it benchmark equipment PC export here. And you can see if I open up the PDF, what I'm going to get is the project with all of my information in it, as well as this information that I've added here. So you can see here, I've got the map, a map view with the picture with the Google Map overlay. And you can see I've got a legend there on the side. My logo's been uploaded, my date and the extra information I added is also present. And if I scroll down, you can see I've got a line, a point, and an area field with all the information in this project contained. And it's a great way to present a nicely packaged output for your clients. And that is everything in today's video. That is how you export a PDF report from Juniper's Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or you want to check out Uinta for yourself, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.